Hey everyone, so you might be wondering, if you're a new life coach, how to feel confident when you are coaching someone for the first time. And I totally get it. I've been there. I was terrified when I first started coaching, and I'm gonna let you know the number one secret to get through this. It is to practice, 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 and we learn best by doing. So sitting on the couch and thinking about becoming a life coach is not going to help you to become a better coach. You actually have to get out there. You have to start practicing as soon as possible. You don't have to wait till you're certified or credentialed. So what I recommend is finding some friends and family that you can start practicing on right now to get more comfortable and confident with your coaching skills, and then to go from there. Also, another important question to ask yourself is, what does confidence look and feel like for you as a new life coach? Okay, what does confidence look and feel like for you as a new life coach? So let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. And then also, feel free to email me any future questions that you have around becoming a life coach. I'd love to create a future video for you and to answer them. So email me at hello@KristaKathleen.com, all your questions, and I will create a video just for you. All right, bye everyone.